which is the basis of the creation of Pakistan. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And that in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. And that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Federal Minister, except as may be required for due discharge of my duties as Federal Minister, or as may be specially permitted by the Prime Minister. May Almighty help and guide you. Ameen.